Manage command change sysval. One of the first things to secure are the system values. So, let us drive the command to decide who can and who cannot change the system values. We need to add an exit program to the command change sysval. We will not put restrictions on work sysval. We don't want to decide who can or cannot look at system values. First, release Rule 20. It is the rule that decides to log everything. Rule 20 is released. Work with exit programs. Many commands are preset in EPI. Change sysval is one of them. Set nick filter to RDC, it is the nickname of the retrieve command exit point, and command filter to SYSV. The exit program is detached, status in yellow, and held and nickname in yellow. Detached means that at system level, it is not known, i.e. the command change sysval has no EPI exit program attached to its exit point. Held means that at EPI level, it is dormant. Even when it is called, it does nothing. Attach, option 10. Attachment is controlled by the operating system and applied at the right time, from the operating system point of view. This means that some exit points will require an IPL. Release, option 2. Change sysval. Hold and release is under control of EPI. Changing hold state is always immediate. Release the rule. Note, the information message at the bottom explains the system behavior. Confirm. Change a system value. Change QAutoVRT. Change to 10,001. And go back to the log. In the log, we get two events. Before command and after command. The events list span on 7 pages at right, F11. Page 1, the main page with event identification, timestamp, and decision. Page 2, job properties. Page 3, profile properties. Page 4, object properties. Page 5, event fields. Page 6, event information. Page 7, rules numbers and rules update timestamp. Option 5 gives more details of the before command event. Page 1, identification and decision. Page 2, job and profile. Page 3, object and event fields. Page 4, event information and rules information. The log has more than 40 information columns. These columns are also filters in the rules. In other words, a rule can use as many columns as necessary to match a security requirement. We got an entry in the log because something has asked for that. It is the rule number 20. This information is on the page 4 of the xlog details. From the log, on the before command event, go to the rules, option 15. The rule 20 is the learning mode rule. Clear the filters. Locate rules attached to command change sysval. Rule 206.9 says that nobody can do a change sysval. It is too strict. At least the system profiles should be allowed to change the system values handled by the operating system. Rule 206.8 says that a system profile will get an accept decision. Release first Rule 206.8 then 206.9. It is exit programs. A system job can run a change sysval between the two actions. Always release rules that accepts before releasing rules that reject, or freeze AP with epiprop or change point. First part of a rule is the selector, exit point identification. It identifies which exit programs will use this rule. The most important fields are the format and the nickname. An exit program loads only released rules for its formats and its nicknames. Second part is the decision. A rule has 5 outputs. The action to run. Here, no action. An action may continues with another action, as many as necessary. The effective decision to accept or reject. Here, accept. The simulation mode. Here, the rule ask in actual mode. The request to log. Here the rule don't ask for logging. The request to journal. Here the rule don't ask for journaling. Third part is a series of filters to choose on which series of event the rule applies. A rule has 6 groups of filters. Page 2. On job properties. On profile properties. Page 3. On object properties. On event fields. Page 4. With expression. On calendar. Syntax used in filters is SQL-like. Rule 206.8 Filters. On system profiles. On command change sysval. Without calendar restriction. In every edition program of AP, as soon as something has changed, a confirmation message appears. Release Rule 206.9. This rule rejects in blocking mode. No filter on job or profile. Filters on command change sysval. No calendar restriction. Do the change sysval again. Change Q auto VRT to 10,002. The command has been rejected. Show the log. Details of the rejected before command event. Rejected in blocking mode. Go back to the rules to release Rule 206.5. Note, the filters have been restored. We get the same display as when we left previously. AP remembers filters. Finally, look at Rule 206.5. It contains an expression that link the profile and the parameter sysval, Q auto VRT, of the change sysval command to allow us to do this change. Rule 206.5 accepts actions from AP profiles. For command change sysval. When the sysval name is Q auto VRT. In this expression, and sysval is something AP will retrieve in the event information. More details in the help, F1. Here, it is the value of the parameter sysval, of command change sysval. If you go back to the log, you will see that N can easily guess the end names available. It is N CMD, N sysval, and end value. confirm. Run again the change sysval. Set Q auto VRT to 10,002. It is accepted. Display the log. You may have noted that the exit point has been advised immediately that something has changed in the configuration. Go to page 7. The last column of the log is the timestamp of the last update in accruals, XPGM, or actions. The last change done here is the addition of Rule 206.5, NICVEP, line 10, at 2022-05-27-11.30.17.083000. This information is saved in EPIprop. In the field last rules changed. Discovered. An exit program is held or released. This property is handled at AP level. An exit program is attached or detached. This property is handled at operating system level. These change have sometimes immediate effect, true for exit program RDC. Entries in the log are driven by rules. In this demo, security of change sysval is driven by an allow list. Everything not explicitly allowed is rejected. A rule can use the large set of AP variables, more than 40, plus any parameter of the contextual information, here, the change sysval command. A security requirement is converted in some rules, starting with the more precise up to the other case. The synchronization process. Not covered. We have not used Rule 10. Rule 206.8 allows system profile to do any change sysval. Rule 10 allows system profile to do anything.